Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to West Meets East Indonesia, and tonight I am joined with two of my friends here. I have Jax from Ghost Task Force TV, and I have my friend Randy from Merah Putih Creator. So we're here at what is this? An abandoned scrapyard. An abandoned scrapyard, and we're gonna check it out. The story goes that this building had burnt down, correct? All right, there was a fire here at this building, and there is a room inside where they have kept some of the dead bodies, and we're gonna check that out. So if you like this video, guys, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and that bell notification, and let's go check it out, guys.
It doesn't make us strong, it doesn't make us weak, tongue-tied to serve.
All right, guys, we're going in. So I'm going in with Fadil. Fadil, say what's up.
What's up?
What's up? I'm probably blinding you with my light. Oh, so what do you want to do? You want to head down or you want to go up the stairs? All right, let's go this way. All right. So this building. Oh, dude, isn't this the room that the bodies burnt down? It's locked, bro. Damn. I think that's the room that the bodies were kept in. Oh shit, there's another.
Right there, or we go around? Maybe around.
Yeah, let's go around first. My foot itches, and I really want to scratch it. Whoa, this is freaky, bro. This is what I'm talking about. This. Nah, dude. Yo. I gotta go to the bathroom. I gotta go to the bathroom, but I don't think I want to go in here.
Maybe this
Maybe.
No.
It's still dirty. Damn, I was hoping for a nice clean bathroom.
You expect it?
Bro, honestly, I gotta scratch my foot, man. It's just so bad. I don't know why. All right, let's keep going. Oh, dude.
What?
Gotta be careful, man. What if we freaking just walked off of that?
Yeah, there's most.
Holy crap.
Oh, no, it's like.
Yo.
It's cool.
Yeah, I know, but I wouldn't want to walk off of it, you know what I'm
Why
saying?
not?
I don't know, because I don't want to fall down all of this.
It's cool.
Yeah, let's check out over here real quick. Whoa. What is that, bro? What is that? That's not how you make a pentagram. That's not a pentagram. I don't know what that is. Hey, look, a minion. A minion with some graffiti. All right. Sneaker. What is all this, bro? Math?
Wait.
Like numbers. 56%. 29th. Yeah.
What kind of?
Well, who knows? When this place was actually operating, as like you said, it was a market. This could be like the office or the back area where somebody was writing. You know. Yeah. They could have been writing some stuff down.
And stainless statue.
That is weird, bro. Wow, there's so much of it. It goes all the way over here. C.E. Lucky? What? I don't. Yeah. Oh no, E. Lucky. Bro, maybe this was a
conspiracy.
Maybe the police use this room or something. Who knows, bro? Honestly, I don't know. Maybe it wasn't a market. Maybe it was something else. Yo. Nice. I'm on the balcony, and I hope it doesn't fall down. It smells like food. Oh, I know why it smells like food. Because there's like a warung right downstairs, right down there. All right, let's check this out. All right, let's keep going. Let's check it out. All right, let's keep going. Let's check it out. Whoa. Look at that, bro. Shine the light up there. Shine the light up. You can't really see it that well. Let me see. Yeah, that doesn't work either. Yeah, that's crazy. It's just the whole roof is torn off. Oh, what? Third floor? Yeah. We were here though. Yeah. All right, we didn't check out downstairs. Remember? What?
We didn't go there.
Oh, that's right.
Maybe.
Or did we? I don't think we did, man.
We did. That's the man, the way, man. But we didn't give.
We didn't go this way.
Yeah, this way.
Right. Saru. Oh, this is creepy, dude. Beatbox. Beatbox.
Yeah.
Beatbox. Yo. This is creepy, dude. Hold on, let's go in here real quick. More bathrooms, but none of them are clean, man. Oh, okay. I guess these are both bathrooms on each side.
No.
Oh, dude. Yo. I don't know, but it sounded like it was gonna fall. Yo, this looks messed up, bro. For real. I don't even want to walk in there. It looks so bad. Look at that, guys. Urbex.
Yeah, it's
Urban Explorers.
No, Urbex is Uber XL.
Oh no, Urbex also means Urban Explorer.
Oh, yeah.
All right,
Yeah.
so let's go to the first level and check that out. Oh, this place is huge.
We never have any chance to explore something like this.
Oh, look at this. Something anak hantu.
Figure on a hand. It's just figure. It's like look like a
Figure of a ghost child.
figure of a ghost.
Where?
Oh, I want to go there, but how?
Oh. Yeah,
We
how?
already get to the third level.
How do you get in there?
We already get into the third level.
I think they have it blocked off right there, honestly. I don't think you can go in there. You see there's a light on over there. I think that's where the people live, dude. We're gonna try to get into the corpse room, guys. It's right here, number 12. Here, let's try something. Nope. I guess nobody's home right now. Yeah, let's try. Maybe we can get in through the side. Alright. Oh yeah, let me show everybody this smashed up Asian Games, guys, 2018. So check this out. This van was in an accident. Look at this, guys. Smash. And if anybody could tell me what's on that steering wheel, all right, if anybody knows what's on that steering wheel, put it in the comments down below. And then check this out. It's a lot of damage. That is smashed up, guys. What kind of car was this? What is that? What brand is that? I don't even know. So unfortunately, this one right here, guys, I don't think anybody survived. I really don't. Oh, you know what? No, that's right. They said the children survived, but the parents died. They passed away. It's a shame. Oh yeah, man, come on. It's locked.
We can go there, but it's light up.
Nah, it's just where people keep their bikes. Is there a door over there?
Yeah.
Go check it out.
Well, after you.
Oh, these are just smashed up. Oh, dude.
This is the place. Isn't it?
Nah, this isn't it. There's no door. That's not it. Oh, we were here already. This is the first floor. Why does it seem so quiet right now? Perfect. Hey guys, that's gonna do it for tonight's video. If you enjoyed the video, please smash that like button. If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification. And as for all the people I explored with today, I'm gonna have links to their descriptions down below. Please go ahead and check them out because my video might be completely different from theirs and you definitely wanna see what's going on. So guys, thank you again so much. My name is Aaron, this is Fadil, and this is West Meets East Indonesia. See you next time.